Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So today we're gonna be covering up the top 10 Python question here. So let's begin it right. So give me a moment here, just give me a moment. Yeah, let's begin it. So first thing first, that what are the Python features here? So it's in a high level language and interpreted language. Really easy. So high level language means that it can be uh, read by only machine only, if I'm not wrong, right? So let me check it out for this. So it's a closer to a human language and abstract away much complexity with the cooperation. You don't have to manage memory deals and all like a high level, right? So that's what I mean to say. Sorry about it. And easy to learn and read and write here. Dynamically typed and support object-oriented programming languages. Extensive standard library and support for third-party libraries here. What are the Python data types here? So numeric data type, sequence, text, set, mapping, boolean we have here. What is the difference between list and tuple? So list is mutable, defined with the square brackets. Tuple means immutable, defined with the parenthesis. What are the Python conditional statement here? So if, else if, and else. So that's what is it. What are the Python loops? So for loop, while loop. So iterate over sequences, repeat as long as condition is true. What are the Python functions? A block of reusable code here, built-in function, print, ln, type, right? Python module and packages. So a module containing Python code.py reusable functionality. Package means that the collection of modules organized with the directory and an init.py file. Explain Python loops concept. So class means that the blueprint for creating object. Object means that the instance of a class here. Encapsulation, hiding data with methods. Inheritance means that the reusing code from base classes. Using the same function name for different classes, which means that the polymorphism is it. What is a Python self keyword? So return refers to the current instance of a class used to access instance variable and method, like that. So current instance of a class and used to access instance variable and method. What is the Python args and quarks? So args allows a passing a variable numbers of positional argument. Quarks allows a passing a variable number of keyword argument. So guys, these were the questions. Again, we gonna have some quick overview of this. So self was that refers to the current instance of the class. Refers to the current instance of the class means example of the class, and it is as used to access instance variable and method. Example of variables and method. So Python loop concept means that the encapsulation is more about hiding data with methods, right? And inheritance, reusing code from base classes. Polymorphism, all about using the same function name for different classes. Python module and packages. So module is like file containing Python code, reusable functionality. Package means collection of modules organized with directory. What are the Python functions? So built-in functions, print function, length function, type function. User defined function is like functions created by programmer here. It's all of it. For loop means that iterate over sequence. While loop means repeat as long as a condition is true. So if, else if, and else. So if means used for decision making. Else if means else if provides a multiple condition. Else means execute if no conditions are true here. That's what it's work for, list and tuple. So list can be mutable and use the square bracket more of a time, and tuple means that the defined with the parenthesis. Data type we come for the numeric sequence and text and set mapping and boolean. Again, features gonna talk about the high level means that the more of a like a human readable form. In a interpreted language means that the coding will be scanned by line, easy to learn, read and write, dynamically typed and support object oriented programming, extensive standard library and support for the third party libraries app. That's what it is work out for you. And guys, I think that this is all. That's all of my time for the today. We have discussed top questions of the Python, and tomorrow we'll be covering up more of a at least two questions of the coding at least, right? And we will be starting the things again for the revision. So that's all of my time for the today, guys. See you in the next, catch you in the next. Till then, bye, peace.